Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is on the line and we have just 1 to 2 months away from that launching. So the news is that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has the S20 focusing issues. Resolved will use the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset. So that is a big news from Samsung. Samsung has reportedly fixed the focusing problem that allied the Galaxy S20 Ultra 108 megapixel main camera. Many users and reviewers found that the 108 megapixel camera focus to be slower than the 12 megapixel main camera on the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus, especially in low light, and it's occasionally miss altogether. The issues and reduced performance of the autofocus could be due to the 108 megapixel sensor lacks of dual pixel phase detected autofocus. Whether Samsung has added dual pixel PDF or has fixed that issue another way. Typical reliable Leakstar Eyes Universe reported that the 108 megapixel main camera will focus just fine on the Galaxy Note 20 series. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series will also gain access to the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset, along with the Galaxy Tab S7 and the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, all due later this year. Last year, the Galaxy Note 10 series used the Snapdragon 855 instead of the Galaxy 855 Plus. Samsung is also reportedly working on the Galaxy Note 20 powered by its custom Exynos 992 chipset for some market. As you can see, this is the Eyes Universe tweets. He says Note 20 series has completely solved that the camera focus problem, but WQHD plus 120 Hz is still not optimized. The second tweet, as you can see on your screen, it says but Samsung seems to have eaten half of the Snapdragon 865 plus processor. Note 20 series, Tab S7 series, Fold 2, Galaxy Z Flip 5G will use the Snapdragon 865 plus latest processor. So Samsung will hold an unpacked event for the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series in August, and we have already see a lots of leaker about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20, and some rumors say that the Note 20 will have a not 100x space zoom, it's just a 50x space zoom, and some rumor says that the battery of the upcoming Note 20 have a 4500, and some rumor says it has a 5000 mAh, but it's not confirmed from officially from Samsung. Let's see in upcoming days, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out, bye bye.